Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Very positive reading for you, Pisces. So under the deck, 3 of Pentacles, I think if you're in separation with your person, there is reconciliation is coming, 3 of Pentacles reunion, and you are more focused on your career, you are balancing your finances. So if you are not in separation, then you want to take this relationship to next level, or your person want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, there is love coming towards you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 4 of Cups, Magician, and 6 of Cups. I think you are manifesting reconciliation because 4 of Cups, there is separation between you and your person in past. So that's why you are manifesting, because you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, 6 of Cups, and you are thinking about them a lot. So you want to manifest them reconciliation because you are missed opportunity with your person. You feeling sad without them. That was the past. Present, Queen of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and the Star. Definitely there is reconciliation is coming towards you. If you are not seeing it in near future, it will happen because the Star with 6 of Cups, definitely there is a high probability for reconciliation, and 6 of Wands is Queen of Pentacles is here. You are very giving and very caring person, and 6 of Wands, you are getting success for your hard work. You are doing consistent hard work for your success and it is coming. So there is success is coming and you are getting a lot of recognition. And Queen of Pentacles, again you are more concentrating on your career these times. You are focused on your career, on abundance. You are creating more money, Pisces. Future, Ace of Wands, 4 of Wands, and 8 of Wands. So yeah, there is reconciliation is coming. If you are not in separation, you want to marry your person or you want to commit to your person, you will be in a committed relationship in near future, and there will be lots of communication is coming, back and forth communication in near future. 8 of Wands energy, and there is some shift is also coming in your life, and Ace of Wands. So in your career, you are doing every work with a lot of passion. There is a lot of passion. You have a lot of passion towards your work. And there is some celebrations coming in work area and in personal life also. This is very, very positive reading for you, Pisces, so far. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but a lot of fire energy is here. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will see, then we will get more clarity. Yeah, for some those who are in separation, your person feeling sad. 5 of Cups is here. So let's see their feelings towards you, Pisces. Your person feelings towards you. Pisces, your person feelings towards you. Seven of Wands. I think 7 of Swords, maybe there are some misunderstandings between you and your person in past. Maybe you are hiding something from your person. Maybe you lied to them. There is something sneaky in this connection. 7 of Swords energy, lies involved in this connection. Maybe some deception also. So Queen of Wands with 7 of Wands, your person won't give up on you. Definitely, because Seven of Wands, they will fight for this connection. Justice, they want second chances, because I think Seven of Swords. Something happened between both of you. One person did wrong in this connection. It could be you or your person. So depends on your situation. But they're very passionate about you, and your person could be fire sign. They're also very strong person. They stand by their power and justice. There is some communication. They want to communicate with you, and they want second chances. And they won't give up on you. So let's see their actions towards you. Pisces, your person actions towards you. Again, Eight of Wands, communication. Eight of Cups. And Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person giving so much, but another person only taking, but not putting any effort in this connection. So they're feeling alone without you. Five of Pentacles. Maybe I think you not treated them well for some. It could be like this. That's why they maybe walked away from this connection. But there is some communication is coming, and communication is the key here, guys. So I think they have so much love for you, Pisces. Even though you are not giving so much importance to them, they keep coming back. There is communication is also coming towards you. Lots of communication. They won't give up on you. One person did wrong to the other person in this connection. It could be your other person. Yeah, the Tower moment. So right now their actions towards you, they will communicate with you. Even though it is not then it is not going anywhere, then they will walk away from you, because they decided they're feeling alone. They will communicate with you. Then things are getting better, it's okay. Otherwise they will walk away, because these are their intentions towards you. So every situation is different from others. So take what resonates. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, a lot of drama is going. Yeah, I think Eight of Swords. Maybe your person feeling stuck on you. They're thinking about you. They're feeling stuck. And a lot of drama is also going in your connection. And Eight of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship. Then it's up to you, Pisces. There is something mysterious in this connection. Yeah, Chariot. There is a moment is coming in this connection. I think they're rushing towards you. I think there will be communication between both of you. In near future, you both will communicate. Six of Swords with the Moon. I think you both have to sit and talk with each other to resolve these things between both of you, because the Moon, there are a lot of things, lot of illusions between both of you, misunderstandings. Six of Swords, maybe you decided to walk away from this connection, but they are coming back to resolve the things. There is communication is coming, even though they're in slow moving energy, but I am seeing lots of communication is coming towards you. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Pisces. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces. You also feeling stuck, thinking about them a lot. Maybe you are the person walked away from this connection. For some, you are trusting your intuition, listening to higher self. There is communication is coming, clarity is coming. So let's see your person overall energy, Pisces. Yeah, Seven of Cups. They are dreaming about you, maybe fantasizing. For some, your person have options. Again, Eight of Swords. They're feeling stuck. They're confused. Strength. They're working on their self to come towards you. And they're feeling alone without you. They're feeling sad. Yeah, they're feeling stuck right now, Pisces. But after that, they will call you. There is some communication is coming. Right now, your person feeling stuck. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I feel alone. Yes, the same message. Finances and career. I can't let you go. I'm very attracted to you. And marriage. I am feeling sad without you. Maybe for some marriage also involved in this connection. So they're feeling alone. Maybe they're now focused on their career and finances. That's why they're feeling stuck. They are unable to make any more. And they can't let you go. And they are very attracted to you. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Lot of illusions and misunderstandings between both of you. Your dreams need a practical plan. So if you want to achieve anything right now, so you have to do need a practical plan to achieve any dream. This is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.